Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make marble cake. Simple, easy, delicious. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and grease a pan, which I have already greased nicely with butter. It's a bun cake. Just set it on the side, and then for the ingredient, we're gonna need some all-purpose flour, and what I have here is salt, baking soda, baking powder. We need some butter, unsalted, softened at room temperature, some milk, some cocoa powder, vanilla extract, granulated sugar, and egg. I'm using just a bowl and electric hand mixer, as always, because I find this is the most easiest way to make a batter. I'm just gonna take a spoon and mix all of these over here. The dry ingredient, you can sift or whisk, up to you, just like that. And to this bowl I'm gonna add sugar. That's a lot of sugar because it's a big cake, and butter, and then we are going to cream this together. Now I'm gonna add the vanilla extract. It's 2 teaspoons. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Like I said, it's a big cake. Normally we use one teaspoon, but this recipe is asking for 2 teaspoons mix. And now I'm gonna crack the egg in a separate bowl, one at a time. And then I'm gonna add the egg, and then we're gonna beat this. So we add egg one at a time so they can beat really well with the butter. Last egg. All right. And now it's time to add the flour. Add the flour in addition. So what you're gonna do is add a few tablespoons of flour, and then a little bit of milk. All right, and then we're gonna beat this as well. At this point, do not over mix. Now just take a spatula and then just get everything together, and then have your cake pan ready beside you. All right, butter looks so smooth. All right, now so heavy. So now we're gonna put 3/4 of this cake batter in the cake pan. We're gonna leave a 1/4. All right, just smooth the batter, just like that. And then the cocoa powder, I'm gonna add this to the leftover batter. I'm gonna add 1/2 cup. You can add a little bit more than 1/2 cup if you like it. A little bit more bitter cocoa powder. Just mix. And now just take 2 spoons, and then we're gonna just dollop this on top, just like that. Just like that. And now we're just gonna take a butter knife, and then we're just gonna swirl this just like that, just roughly. And this is it. Now this is going to go in the oven, preheated 350. Let this bake. Once it's done, I'm going to show you how it looks like. My cake took 45 minutes to bake, and they are ready and smells is good. Just take a knife and run it around the cake, just to make sure when you flip it over a plate it does not stick, even though we have already greased it nicely, and even in the middle as well. Just run the knife like that. Okay, just take a plate and then flip over, and I just want to make sure that the cake is not gonna stick. Tap, tap, tap. Look at that. Just cut it because I just can't wait anymore. It is still a little bit warm, and oh my God. Just look at this cake. It is nice, it is fluffy, it is soft, it is warm. I can't resist. So good. Check the cake. It is just so good. You guys know written recipe will be down below in the description box. Get the recipe, make it. You're gonna love it. I promise you that. And I will see you next time in another video with another great recipe. Bye.